Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to change language on AliExpress using your website. So open your browser and go to official webpage of AliExpress. It is AliExpress.com. And now in the top left corner of your screen you see three horizontal lines. This is menu, that's what we need. And here scroll down to the settings section and now find language and basically select your preferred language. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.